What's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. You can call me JD, and in this video we will be getting into some Nike SBs. The Nike SB Dunk that I will be talking about in this video was in fact inspired by Jordan Brand. I will be getting into the Nike SB Dunk Low Court Purple. What up guys, what's good? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be breaking down the shoe. We'll get into the colorway and the inspiration behind it. I will also talk about the leather quality of this shoe. I'll cover Nike SB sizing. We'll also talk about some resale predictions. And as always, I will be giving you that on-feet look. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Very quickly, once again, before I begin, make sure you guys check out my podcast, which I just launched. It is also available on Spotify. It is called The Kickback. I'm doing that podcast with my good friend Fabian from High Snobiety. And if you are into sneakers, this is definitely the podcast for you. So make sure you guys check that out. I will leave a link in the description. So let's get into it. The Nike Dunk Low SB in the Court Purple colorway. The official release date, I'll be honest, I don't know what it was because it released on a different day on the sneakers app, and every single skate store out there seemed to have got it at different times. And even right now as we speak, there are still skate stores that are getting this colorway. Europe once again seems to have gotten these early, and in the United States, it looks like in the next few weeks, a lot of skate shops will be getting this in store as well. This one I guess is a bit of a late review on the channel because it has been out in Europe now for a good 3 weeks. I got this shoe in the most unlikeliest of ways. You guys know those IG raffles where, you know, you like this picture, tag 3 of your friends, put your size in the comments. I'm sure you guys have entered these kinds of raffles before. I probably win maybe one of those every year if I'm lucky. And so far it seems like this Court Purple pair will be the one IG raffle I win this year, because that's how I was able to get them a local skate shop here in Germany. I randomly got a DM from them that I won these in a raffle. I was pretty shocked, but yeah, I guess those IG raffles, it's not a myth. It actually is possible to win them. Getting into the shoes, so Jordan Brand and Nike SBs have somewhat of a unique relationship. Prior to the creation of the Nike SB line, one of the most popular sneakers for skateboarders to wear was actually the Jordan 1. Nike kind of decided to pay homage to that by releasing the J-Pack back in 2005. The initial colorway was the Royal colorway. We've also seen some other Jordan-inspired colorways on SB Dunks before. We most recently saw the Chicago colorway. We've also seen the Shadows as well as this Pine Green colorway. I would like to hear from you guys. What do you guys think of having Jordan colorways on Nike SB shoes? Some people don't like it. They might consider it kind of lazy to just take colorways from Jordan 1s and throw them on SBs. I personally think it's kind of cool with the whole history behind skateboarding and Jordan 1s. This particular colorway, we have seen the shade Court Purple on so many Jordan 1s before. Just last year, we saw the Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0 release. Prior to that, there was the 1.0. The color blocking is more closer to the black toe Jordan 1s with a hint of purple at the back. I actually really like this colorway, and I would actually like to see this colorway on a Jordan 1. I believe I've said this on the channel before. I personally love the black toe color blocking the best on Jordan 1s. And purple is definitely one of my favorite colors on shoes. So yeah, I would personally like to see this on a Jordan 1 high. Getting into the quality of this sneaker, the quality of the leather is definitely better than the general release dunks we've seen this year. I know a lot of people were worried that the leather on this would be just as bad as those, but this is not bad. It's pretty decent. You can see, like, when I'm pressing down on the leather in certain parts of the shoe, you can see it does have a bit of tumble to it. The leather does feel quite soft around the toe box area. I'm not gonna say this is like the best leather I've seen. However, I'm just comparing it to other dunks I've seen this year. This is definitely better than that. The shoes do come standard with these black laces. You also get an extra pair of white rope style SB laces too. For anyone who hasn't worn a pair of Nike SBs before, and if you're wondering about sizing, I highly suggest you guys to actually try one on if possible. SBs fit my foot really weird, so I am a true size 11. I got these in a size 11 and they don't fit me the best. They do fit a bit tight on me, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that this tongue is a lot thicker than a normal SB Dunk. So I actually prefer to go a half size up on Nike SB Dunks However, a lot of people might not like that because there is a bit of room in the toe box area. And just for reference, I do wear a size 11 in regular dunks like you see back here, the Syracuse pair and the ceramics. I wear a size 11 in both of those and they fit me perfectly, but if I go with a US 11 in the SB dunks, it's just a bit too snug for my preference. Before we get into resale predictions, just make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I just had a look at my analytics and it looks like only 27% of you guys who watch my videos are actually subscribed to the channel. Let's try to get that number up to at least 50%. I know a lot of you guys watch my videos and give your boy some support. I am dropping a ton of content, at least 3 to 4 videos a week, so make sure you guys are subscribed. So getting into resale, a lot of people want to know, are these a sell now or a hold? Short answer, I think these are a sell now. We're not in 2020 anymore where the dunk hype is at an all-time high. Nike has been releasing so many dunks this year, basically every single weekend. Dunks are turning into the next Yeezy 350 V2. I do expect by the end of the year the hype on dunks to drop quite a bit. Also, a really good comparison for this would be the Nike Dunk Low in the Chicago colorway. You can see that pair right around the release time. The prices were quite high, over $500 and even $600 for some sales, and the prices have just kind of continued to come down and haven't really recovered. And I personally think that's going to happen with these as well. This is not something I'm going to be holding on to, investing in. I don't see them going up in price that fast. So for me, these are a sell now. If you guys took an L and you missed out on the release, you're looking to cop, they are releasing in the States over the next few weeks, so expect a bit more stock to enter the market. So I'm thinking the prices will come down even further in the next few weeks, and that's probably your best time to buy. All right, let's close out the video. Is this a cop or a drop? I think it's a great colorway. I like this colorway quite a lot. And for people who say that, hey, we shouldn't be putting Jordan colorways on Dunk SBs, well, this colorway isn't technically exactly a Jordan 1 colorway like we saw with the Chicago pair. This one is kind of a unique colorway, not a direct one-for-one copy from a Jordan 1. Although I will be passing on this for personal, I don't really wear too many SBs. But I do think it's a great colorway. The leather is decent. It's also a pretty wearable shoe. So these are a cop. Go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. It helps out the channel. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys so much for all of the support, and until next time, peace.